If you are over 75, pause for a moment and listen carefully. For years, we've been told that walking is the best exercise for seniors. But many surgeons are now saying something very different. Not because walking is bad, but because there is one exercise that is safer, stronger, and far more effective for aging bodies. This simple movement protects your knees, strengthens your legs, improves balance, and reduces fall risk, more than walking ever could. And most seniors have never been told this. Stay with me, because this information could help you stay independent for years longer. After 75, the body changes faster than most people realize. Muscles shrink, balance weakens, reaction time slows. A simple fall can change everything. Strong legs are no longer about fitness. They are about safety, confidence, and independence. And what worked at 60 may no longer work at 75. Walking is often called the perfect exercise. But walking is forward motion only. It does not strengthen muscles enough. It does not train balance. And it does not prepare the body for sudden movements. Surgeons see this every day. Seniors who walk regularly, yet still fall, still fracture hips, still lose mobility. Orthopedic surgeons don't guess. They repair damage. They see worn knees, weak hips, unstable ankles, and injuries from falls. And many of these patients say the same thing. But doctor, I walk every day. Walking alone is no longer enough. After 75, walking outdoors increases fall risk. Uneven ground, curbs, distractions. When balance is weak, walking can become risky. And when you trip, walking strength does not save you. Muscle strength does. So what do orthopedic surgeons recommend instead? Controlled strength and balance movements, especially chair-based exercises. This type of exercise strengthens legs, hips, and core at the same time. It builds stability without stressing the joints. This is why surgeons prescribe it after surgery. This exercise builds muscle. Walking mostly maintains what you already have. This exercise improves balance. Walking does not. This exercise protects your knees. Walking slowly wears them down. For seniors over 75, strength is protection. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Place your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one leg and straighten it. Hold for a few seconds. Lower it slowly. This activates the thigh muscles that prevent falls. Breathing slowly is key. Place your hands on the arms of the chair. Lean forward slightly. Stand up slowly. Sit back down with control. This movement trains the muscles you use every day. Getting out of bed, standing from the toilet, rising from a chair. Stand behind a chair. Hold it lightly. Lift one foot just slightly. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. This trains the balance muscles that protect you when you trip. Walking does not train this. You don't need long sessions. 10 to 15 minutes. 3 to 5 times per week. Slow, controlled, safe. Consistency matters more than effort. This exercise is ideal for seniors over 75, especially if you have knee pain, weak legs, balance issues, or fear of falling. It can be done at home. No equipment, no pressure. Walking helps you move, but strength helps you stay independent. This surgeon-approved exercise is not about fitness. It's about freedom. It's about confidence. It's about staying on your feet and in control of your life. Share this with someone over 75. It could prevent a fall and protect their future. This content is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any exercise program.